Okay, here we are 35 feet out from the cleanout, and this particular spot is directly underneath the retaining wall by the sidewalk where it's the most bowed out. As we look here, we're going in the pipe, and then we can see it caverns out going straight down. But if you look at the 10 o'clock position, 11 o'clock position in this view, you'll see a hole. And that hole is where my cable busted through the roots and went down into the city sewer, and then this line drained. I can't, and I ran 1 inch to 4 inch heads, and I got lucky to even get it to drain. So this could be the transition to 6 inch, and there's just a bunch of roots. Anything more aggressive at this point, you got a good chance that you'll be digging it up. Right now, it's working. It's been working this way, and it needs to be addressed. Unfortunately, this is going to be a registered site sewer contractor. This is underneath public property. So that would be a spot repair. Jim Dandy and Sewer Friendly, two choices for you to call for bids. We just ate through all the roots, but it doesn't matter when the end-all point is like that. It's just traditional 4-inch problems. See, it's really steep right here too. Holding water. It just hits the ledge and then lets everything go down. Here's a little bit of belly with whoever put in this cleanout. We'll see that on the way out. So I don't know what the rest of the line looks like going forward, because I could only get the snake to maneuver out there, not the camera. Now, here's a clean out, and this is what I'm talking about. That's how it joins in. See how we've got standing water right there, and we bounce. It's hitting that ledge right there, and then everything flows.